Hello there guys and welcome to Student Meals. In this episode we're going to make a request video. This video has been requested by Easy Life, so we're going to make a super delicious and super easy strawberry milkshake. Before we start, a quick tip: if you don't have fresh strawberries, you can replace them with some strawberry syrup. For this recipe you'll only need 20 milliliters of strawberry syrup. I hope that you enjoy this episode. So the ingredients are, I'm going to take about 9 strawberries, depending on the size. Mine are quite small, so I'm just going to take a bit more. About 130 grams of vanilla ice cream. And finally, 200 milliliters of milk. Best composition for the ingredients, by the way. You can also add sugar, but I like to leave it out because you have ice cream, which is pretty sweet, and strawberries, which are also sweet, so I don't see why you have to use sugar. And this is basically all you need. At this point you can do two things. If you have a blender, use that because it's the easiest method, but if you don't, like most of the students, you can do this. Just take your strawberries and cut them into small pieces. It doesn't have to be precise, just rough, small pieces. There you go. And now just put it back into a bowl. Basically what we're going to do now is just crush the strawberries. You can do this in many different ways. You can just take a potato masher and mash them. Take a zip bag, put them in there, crush them there. I'm just going to do it the old-fashioned way with a fork. And just squish them against the side of the bowl until everything is nice and mushy. I know this is not the perfect way of doing it, but it's a really good alternative if you don't have a mixer. You'll have some bits and pieces left. Personally, I'm going to use a big straw, and if that doesn't work out, I'm just going to drink with my mouth. So now it's time for the assembly. Because this is the low budget way of doing it, I'm actually going to shake my milkshake instead of blending or mixing it or whatever. So I'm just going to take a mason jar with a lid, any jar will do, and just going to add all of the strawberries in there, then the ice cream, and finally the milk. So for example, now I'm not using the whole 200 milliliters of milk because otherwise my mason jar will be overfull. Now I'm just going to put on the lid nice and tight so nothing escapes, and you've guessed it, now we're going to shake it. Oh boy, this could take some time. Cue the French SpongeBob cutaway.
5 hours later.
Alright, different shot. And the milkshake is done. Let me just open the lid. Final decoration, a strawberry. Just cut it nice in the middle. Put it on top. Some straws. And your milkshake is done. It's right in front of you. Higher. Back, yes. There you go.
Time for a test. So, right, first of all, I'm working this outfit because I'm not really feeling camera worthy today, and yeah, I guess this is kind of cute. So let's taste it. Delicious. I love it. So it still has some strawberry bites in it, but I actually really enjoy it. I just really love a good strawberry milkshake, and I actually prefer this type of fresh strawberry milkshake than the one with strawberry syrup. And this feels really funny, me talking like this without seeing anything, so I guess I'm just going to close the video. So thank you guys for watching this episode. If you liked it, feel free to give us a thumbs up and maybe subscribe to our channel. So thank you guys for watching, and as always, see you in the next one. Goodbye.